Hi, I'm Dr. Sharon, and I've been a nutritionist and family physician for over 15 years. During that time, I've learned how powerful food can be for our overall well being. I've seen how making small changes to what we eat can lead to huge improvements in health, energy, and even mood. I know that healthy eating can feel intimidating sometimes, but I'm here to show you that it doesn't have to be complicated. I've put together practical meal plans and recipes in this guide, all designed to fit into busy lifestyles. You don't need to overhaul your entire routine, just start with small, sustainable steps. When I was in medical school, I didn't really practice what I preached. I was constantly tired, skipping meals, and running on coffee and snacks. I remember one day I collapsed from exhaustion, and it was a wake up call. I started to look at my own eating habits and realized that I wasn't giving my body what it needed. That's when I began to embrace the concept of balanced nutrition. What you eat affects everything, from your energy levels to your immune system. Balanced nutrition means making sure your meals include a variety of foods, like lean proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Think of it like building blocks. Proteins help your body repair and grow, carbohydrates give you energy, and fats help your brain and cells function properly. Plus, vitamins and minerals from fruits and veggies are essential for keeping everything in check. When I started meal planning, I quickly noticed that it wasn't just about eating healthier, it also made my life easier. No more last minute takeout or wondering what to cook after a long day. Meal planning helps you save time, money, and keeps you on track with your nutrition. It's all about being prepared. Set aside one day a week to plan your meals and make your grocery list. This way, you won't be tempted to grab unhealthy options because you'll have everything you need at home. Start with simple meals and build from there. For me, Sunday is my meal prep day. I cook a few basic things in bulk like grilled chicken, roasted veggies, and quinoa, so that during the week I can just mix and match them. Trust me, this saves so much time. Also, keep healthy snacks on hand like sliced veggies, hummus, or nuts. These quick options will keep you from reaching for junk food when hunger strikes. One of my favorite tricks is batch cooking. I make a big pot of soup or chili that I can portion out for lunches or dinners throughout the week. You can freeze portions too, which is a lifesaver on busy days. Let's talk about breakfast. I used to be one of those people who would grab a cup of coffee and skip breakfast entirely. But once I started incorporating a proper breakfast into my day, I noticed a huge difference in my energy levels. One of my go-to breakfasts is an overnight oats recipe. It's super simple. You just mix oats with almond milk, chia seeds, and berries, leave it in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, it's ready to eat. If you prefer a warm breakfast, a veggie omelet is always a good option. Toss in some spinach, tomatoes, and mushrooms for a nutrient-packed start to your day. Lunch doesn't have to be complicated either. My days are hectic, so I rely on easy-to-pack lunches that I can bring to work. One of my favorites is a quinoa salad. I cook quinoa ahead of time and then toss it with cucumbers, tomatoes, chickpeas, and feta cheese. A little olive oil and lemon juice, and you've got a filling, healthy meal. Another option is making wraps. I spread hummus on a whole wheat wrap, add grilled chicken, spinach, and shredded carrots. It's quick and easy. When it comes to dinner, I used to think that it had to be a big production. But I've found that keeping it simple works best. Grilled salmon with a side of roasted veggies and brown rice is my go-to. It's packed with protein, omega-3s, and fiber. Plus, it takes less than 30 minutes to prepare. Another dinner I love is a veggie stir-fry. Just toss some bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and tofu or chicken into a pan with a little soy sauce and serve over quinoa or brown rice. It's fast, filling, and super healthy. Snacking is where a lot of people get tripped up. I'll admit I love snacks, but I try to keep them healthy. One of my favorite snacks is Greek yogurt with a handful of fresh berries. The yogurt is high in protein, and the berries are full of antioxidants. If I'm craving something crunchy, I reach for apple slices with almond butter. It's the perfect combination of fiber and healthy fats. Another great option is veggie sticks with hummus. I always have carrots, cucumbers, and celery in the fridge, ready to dip. These snacks keep me satisfied between meals and prevent me from reaching for sugary or processed foods. Now, eating out can be tricky, but it's definitely possible to make healthy choices. I love going out with friends, but I've learned to scan the menu for keywords like grilled, steamed, or baked. These usually indicate healthier options. If a dish comes with a heavy sauce or dressing, I ask for it on the side so I can control how much I use. Portion control is also important. Restaurant portions are often much larger than what we'd serve at home. I'll either share a dish with someone or ask for half of it to be packed up before I even start eating. Maintaining healthy eating habits long term is all about making it part of your lifestyle. It's not about perfection. There will be days when you indulge, and that's okay. What's important is that you don't let one indulgence derail you. Focus on the bigger picture. Consistent, balanced eating over time will have a much greater impact on your health than any single meal. One of the best ways to stay motivated is to set realistic goals. Don't try to change everything all at once. Start by swapping out one unhealthy habit for a healthier one, like replacing sugary drinks with water or adding more vegetables to your meals. Celebrate your small wins along the way and remember that each healthy choice brings you closer to your goal. In my experience, one of the biggest barriers to healthy eating is time. We live in a world where everything moves fast and it's easy to reach for convenience foods. But I can assure you that with a little planning and preparation, healthy eating doesn't have to be time-consuming. Batch cook, meal prep, and keep things simple. The more you practice these habits, the easier they'll become. I hope this guide has shown you that healthy eating is achievable, no matter your lifestyle. You don't need to follow strict diets or deprive yourself of the foods you love. It's about making better choices most of the time and finding a balance that works for you. My journey toward balanced nutrition has been a learning process, and I'm still discovering new ways to nourish my body while enjoying the foods I eat. I encourage you to start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the process of nourishing yourself. Here's to your journey toward better health, one meal at a time.